Yo, I am Josie Poo Gamer! Better than Sky does Minecraft, okay? I'm better than him. This is my first video, and I'm in a bad mood. So, let's play some Cat Mario. Think that's a start, maybe? Yeah. Okay, let's start. Okay. Let's hit. Oh, okay. Okay. Okay, that's okay. I don't know. It's a Pokeball. Okay, that's one. That was my fault. That was my fault. Okay. Oh shit! What is wrong with me? Okay. Okay. It's damn laggy. Why is it damn laggy? Can you go inside here? You should take me in the cave, right? Oh! Oh! It looks like I'm gonna die. Yep, I died. I don't think you can hear that dying music noise. It's the Maggie! The lag! Shit! Hold up, I'm gonna skip it. So, as you can see, I died a few times, but I didn't go anywhere. I suck at this game so much. Can you go inside? I'm not gonna go inside the pipe. I'm not going inside. I'm not going inside there. See the lag, the lag, the lag, the lag, the lag. Oh shit! Oh, did I curse? Did I curse? I'm die. Ah! Ah! Who created these games? Who created this game? I want to know. I want to know. Okay, I want to know. I didn't even get past through the first freaking level. Shit, 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 shit. Oh! Should have seen that coming. Hold up. Ah! Yeah! Didn't even touch me. Ah! By the bomb. 21 deaths, okay? Oh shit, I'm stuck. But that's an invisible block. somewhere. This spot. Ah! Thank. Oh, oh my God, that was close. Checkpoint! No, checkpoint! Checkpoint! This is checkpoint! No! That was a checkpoint right in front of me. Shh. Ah. Okay, this has been Juicy Poo Gamer, and I didn't make it to the end. Bye!